Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add alt text to images in Shopify. Now, if you don't know, alt text is great because you will comply with all the Shopify rules, for the people that, cannot read the images or people that can, they have some disabilities. This is a great way how you can add alt text to images in Shopify. So first of all, go here to products. After you're on products, you need to click on a product, right? Because we're going to change a photo or an image or alt text to images in the product. So click here on the product, and then once you're on the product here, you will need to click on the image. Here on the image, click on one image, and here on the right side, you will see alt text. Now, as you know, alt text is text that describes this media. It improves accessibility for people who can't see images on web pages, right? So as you can see here, we can add a text. So let's say this is F, right? We can save alt text, and now this text is saved as F, right? So now this is a great way how you can add alt text to images in Shopify. You can do this for each of those images here, right? And then as you can see, once you're done that, go here and click on save right here, and that will save your alt text to images. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a quick one, but yeah, I hope you find it useful as well, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.